I missed that. Restrooms in the back, they're nice and clean. Food on deck. This little house. Come on me. Nice little setup. Super, super cute little kitchen and food. Come on, puppy. Look how cute. And then you have a window to see outside. You like it, Mama? I like it.
Oh, let's go upstairs.
Okay, let's go upstairs. Come on, puppy. Puppy. It has an upstairs. Ooh, with a whole bunch of blocks. Little wellness center. Nice. Let me know what you guys think. It's a pretty decent place. Okay, let's go to the blocks. Hold on, Mama, hold on. Lena wants to play with the blocks a little bit. She's about to leave us, for real. You like it, Papa? Okay, Mommy, what's up? Let's go to the other place. Let's go to the grocery store. Let's go to the grocery store. Come on, let's go.